How y'all doing today? I want to do a Grove unboxing. I got my order in last night and I can't wait to open it, so I wanted to go ahead, but I also wanted to share it with y'all. This is a pretty big order for me. Normally I just order a few items, but I haven't ordered in a couple of months, and they did come out with their new, I guess you'd call it spring and summer scents, the daisy and the fresh cut grass. I already have the fresh cut grass. I love it. So I didn't order any of that, but I did order the daisy, and I can't wait to see what it smells like. So we're going to go ahead and open this box and see what all's in here. I know that I had my order set to ship like March the 1st. This is February 25th, but they had a good sale. I think it was like 30% off site-wide. So I went ahead and added a few things to my cart and went ahead and ordered. So let's see what's all in here. I'm sure I've got some old favorites and some new stuff in here. Let's see. What is in here? Method glass cleaner. I'm gonna have to get the glasses, y'all. I can't see. Method glass cleaner in the waterfall scent. I have not tried this one yet, so I hope I will like it. Let's see if we can open it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna smell really quick. Oh yeah, it smells good. I like these because they have a better smell to them than just the Windex. I still love my Windex, but cleaning with stuff that smells really good makes me want to clean even more. So we're going to get started on those windows soon. This is some Method dish soap in the Clementine scent. I don't think I've tried Clementine before, and I'm pretty sure, I looked when I ordered, I'm pretty sure that the Method don't have aloe in it. I'll have to double check because I'm allergic to aloe, but if it has aloe, I'll get me some gloves and at least use that. Here's my daisy, Mrs. Meyer's daisy scent. It's a limited edition. If y'all want some of this, you better get it. And these are not easy to open, so before the end of the video, I'm going to spray a little of this and see what it smells like. This was a free gift, Grove hand sanitizer in the blood orange scent, and that's actually a full size. So that was pretty good for a free gift. Let's see. If y'all seen my past videos, you know I love this Method Squirt Mop floor cleaner. This one is the Spearmint and Sage. I don't know that I've tried another scent. I love this scent. You can smell the spearmint more than the sage, and it just makes everything fresh. This is another one that I use regularly. I use it when I'm cleaning my stovetop. Method Heavy Duty Degreaser, and it's a lemongrass citronelle scent. It smells really good, and it does a good job on the grease. So when I'm cleaning the kitchen, even though I'll use the Mrs. Meyer's on my counters, I'll go ahead and use this on my stove every time. This is not a new product, but it's a different scent than I normally get. Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. I got the bamboo scent. I wanted to try that. I've had the wildflower. I might have had some other scents, but I've never tried the bamboo, so I wanted to try that. This is a new product that I had already in my basket, and then I saw someone using it on YouTube, and so I'm going to try it out. I'm going to try it in my sink, and if it works pretty good, I might use it on the glass on my oven door and see how it does on that. It's Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleanser, and it's in lemon verbena scent. That probably smells pretty good, and I've heard it works pretty good. Hey y'all, I just want to jump back on here and let y'all know that the YouTuber that I mentioned that I saw using this after I had put it in my basket or my cart is Taryn from Getting My Life Together at 50. I'm gonna link her YouTube in my description box below, and y'all should check her out because she is great at cleaning. She is so detailed at her cleaning, and she's a really sweet person, so check that out. This is Honeysuckle. I reordered. I've had this one before. So, another Honeysuckle. Got to stock up on all the spring type stuff. This is, it's got to be a free sample because I don't think I would have ordered this. Grove Company Hydrating Hand Soap in lavender and thyme. The bottle got a little bent, but I'm sure it's fine. I'll have to read it. If it has aloe in it, I won't be able to use it, which means I'll do something else with it. Yes, it has aloe in it, so free gift though. I'm not going to turn down a free gift. Somebody can use it. I love this stuff. This is Grove Carpet and Upholstery Stain Remover. As you know, we've got a dog and she's old, so every once in a while she has an accident. I've used it on that. It works on a lot of stuff. It's lavender and thyme scent. And another thing I ordered was, this is to try. I've never tried this before. It says, yes to coconut bar soap with coconut to hydrate dry skin. So I'm going to try that out. I always like getting these, the walnut scrubber sponges. They work really good. They seem to last just a little longer than most of the ones you buy in the store. And this was another free gift, which I thought was a really good free gift. Grunge Buster Groudon Towel Brush. I needed one of these. I normally just buy the ones that are $1 or $2, like at Dollar Tree or Dollar General or somewhere, but it's been a long time since I've had to buy a new one. But I like how skinny this one is, and it's really got some like hard bristles on it. They're not flimsy, so I think that's going to work out good in my bathroom. And that's all of the stuff that I ordered from Grove. So before this video's out, I am going to clean something with this daisy spray so that we can see what it smells like. Okay, y'all, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing. I'll put my Grove link in the description box below. If you want to click on it and order some products, you'll get a free Mrs. Meyer's set out of the deal, and I'll also get $10 credit so I can order more stuff and do more Grove unboxings for y'all. Hope y'all have a good day. See y'all next time.